I'm finally in tune with my spirit animals! Caca! It is the perfect day for calisthenics! Yes! Oh, shit. Yes! Yes! I feel like I can fuck a whale right now. The hoes call me mysterious. I really want to stick my dick inside of that trash can right now. Time to harness my inner monkey. No, not fine. Time to access my inner groundhog. Woo, 6.
Oh shit, that cloud kind of looks like my ex.
7. Come on, Cloud. Come back. It's just showing off that kabusi. Oh, 10. Oh, my math. Come on, Cloud. Lion. It's such a beautiful day outside. Ah, shit. I'm gonna give a 5-knuckle shuffle to my mom.
My name is Big Standard, I'm back on this bitch. With dick and pussy without a hitch. Rub on my nipples with a mitt.